Welcome to Coach IQ. We do the MCQs for geography and the lesson is agriculture. First, what does the letter H stand for in HYV seeds? The options are A. Hope, B. High, and C. Heat. The answer is B, that is high yielding variety of seeds. So H stands for high. Second, in which part of India is slash and burn agriculture called Deepa? Mizoram, Assam, or the Andaman and Nicobar Islands? The answer is C, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Now, if you just want to remember about Deepa, where is it called? In which places? So remember A, B, C, D. A is Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Then you have Bastar in Chhattisgarh, that is B and C. And what is it called? Deepa. So you get that sequence A, B, C, D. Third one. Which crop is used as both food and fodder? Rice, wheat, or maize? The answer is maize. Fourth, which oilseed is a kharif crop in the north and a rabi crop in the south? Groundnut, sesamum, or castor? The answer is B, that is sesamum. Fifth, name the major source of protein in a vegetarian diet. Pulses, vegetables, or fruits? The answer is A, pulses. So protein and pulses, it's P and P. Sixth, what is the full form of ICAR? Indian Council of Agricultural Research, Indian Committee of Agricultural Research, or Indian Creator of Agricultural Research? The answer is A, Indian Council of Agricultural Research. Next, which country is the largest producer of sugarcane in the world? India, Brazil, or China? The answer is B, Brazil. Which country is believed to be the original home for cotton? China, Italy, or India? The answer is C, India. Next, who was the spiritual heir of Gandhiji? Pandit Nehru, Vinoba Bhave, or Sardar Patel? The answer is B, Vinoba Bhave. Next, which is the technology on which Green Revolution is based? Chemical technology, package technology, or irrigation technology? The answer is B, package technology. For Green Revolution to be successful, you need HYV seeds, you need irrigation, and you need chemical fertilizers and pesticides. All these have to be used together to get success. You can't use any one of them. So it's like a package. Next one. What was the main focus of the government in the first 5-year plan? Industries, eradication of poverty, or land reforms? The answer is C, land reforms. The next one. Farming without the use of factory made chemicals is known as commercial farming, organic farming, or inorganic farming? The answer is B, organic farming. All of you all must have surely heard of this word. It's quite in usage today, in today's days. Next one. Genetic engineering is a supplement to invent new hybrid varieties of seeds, fruits, or vegetables. Genetic engineering is to invent seeds. The next one, the Bhudan Gramdan movement is also known as the non-violent revolution, the land revolution, the bloodless revolution? The answer is C, bloodless revolution. Next, which type of crops are natural silk, hemp, cotton, and jute? Cash crops, non-food crops, or fiber crops? The answer is C, fiber crops, because you get fiber from each of them. The next one, the variety of coffee produced in India is Arabica, American, or Mexican? The answer is A, Arabica. Next, which pulse among the following is not a leguminous crop? Masoor, peas, or arhar? The answer is C, arhar. The temperature needed to grow maize is between 21 degrees to 27 degrees Celsius, or 25 to 27 degrees, or 21 to 24 degrees. The answer is A, 21 to 27 degrees Celsius. Next one, Kharif crops are grown during the end of monsoon, onset of monsoon, or during monsoon? It is B, onset of monsoon. Onset means beginning. The next one, Os, Aman, and Boro are types of which crops? Paddy, wheat, or maize? The answer is A, paddy. The next one, availability of precipitation during the winter months is due to what? Southern temperate cyclones, northern temperate cyclones, or western temperate cyclones? The answer is C, western temperate cyclones. Amount of rainfall required by wheat is 50 to 75 centimeters, 75 to 100 centimeters, or 50 to 100 centimeters? The answer is A, 50 to 75 centimeters. Next one, which crop amongst the following needs manual labor right from sowing to harvesting? Sugarcane, rice, or wheat? The answer is sugarcane. How much percentage of the world's vegetables is produced by India? 15%, 13%, or 26%? The answer is B, 13%. Now the next few ones are tables which you have to complete. The first one is related to primitive subsistence farming. So they have given that the land needed for this farming is small patches of land. Then what type of tools are used? Primitive tools like hoe, dowel. Then they've asked the land productivity. That means how much productivity will the land give you? The answer is low. The next table is related to maize. Here they have given you the annual rainfall which maize needs. They have given it as 60 to 110 centimeters. The cropping season and the temperature needed is what you have to fill. The cropping season is Kharif and the temperature needed is 21 degrees to 27 degrees Celsius. The next table is related to wheat. That is, they have given you the temperature needed. You have to fill in the rainfall and the cropping season. The annual rainfall for wheat is 50 to 75 centimeters and the cropping season is Rabi. The next one is related to rubber. Here they have given you the cropping pattern, that is plantation. We know it's a plantation crop. Now what is the annual rainfall needed. It is above 200 centimeters. Temperature needed for growth is again above 25 degrees Celsius. The above has to be written. The next MCQ, which amongst the following are called coarse grains? A. Cereals, B. Millets, C. Pulses. The answer is B. Millets. Millets are called coarse grains. Next, ragi is very rich in iron, calcium, micronutrients and roughage, or all of the above. It is D, that is ragi, which is a millet, is very rich in iron, calcium, micronutrients and roughage. That is, so all the three. So the answer is D, that is all of the above. Next, the temperature needed for both maize and sugarcane. That is, both maize and sugarcane need the same temperature. 25 to 28 degrees Celsius, 23 to 27 degrees Celsius, or 21 to 27 degrees Celsius. The answer is C, 21 to 27 degrees Celsius. Now here it is numbers, so I use multiplication for this, for association. 3 sevens are and 3 nines are. Both are multiples of 3. You can use your own associations. So the answer is C. Next, oilseeds cover how much percentage of the total cropped area of India? 13%, 12% or 10%? It is 12%. The next one, dash is a cultivable land which is uncropped or partially cropped for one or more seasons so that it can get back its fertility. That is, what sort of a land on which you can grow crops is not cultivated, or you cultivate only a part of it for 1 or 2 seasons. You just let it be for 1 or 2 seasons, or you cultivate a part of it. And the reason is so that the soil gets back all its fertility and all its nutrients. That land is called cultivable wasteland, current fallow land, or wastelands. The answer is B, that is current fallow land. The next one, the largest consumption of natural rubber is done in which industry? Belts and hoses, cycle tires and tubes, auto tires and tubes. The answer is C, auto tires and tubes, that is automobile tires. Next, name a gene modified seed widely used in India. That is a seed which has been genetically modified. That is which one? Cotton, potato or maize? In India, it is cotton. The next, name the fiber group grown on black soil. Jute, silk or cotton? A very easy one. The answer is C, cotton. You have learned previously also, cotton grows very well on black soil. The next one, which one of the following is announced by the government in support of a crop? Moderate support price, maximum support price or minimum support price? The answer is C, minimum support price, what we call as MSP. Next, which one of the following is a leguminous crop? Rice, cotton, millets or pulses? The answer is D, pulses. Next MCQ, a system of agriculture where a single crop is grown on a huge area or a large area. Plantation, horticulture or intensive agriculture? The answer is plantation agriculture. Remember, in plantation always only one type of crop is grown. Next, what has right of inheritance led to? Increase in ownership of land holdings, consolidation of land holdings, or fragmentation of land holdings? The answer is C, fragmentation of land holdings. Fragmentation is when it's split. So right of inheritance is where from father the property or assets go to the son or the daughter. So here if the father has say 4 acres of land and he has 2 sons, he is going to divide it. So it could be 2 plus 2 each son gets 2. So that 4 acre has split into 2 plus 2 to different individuals. So that means fragmentation. The next one, bajra grows well on which soil? Forest, loamy and fertile, or sandy and shallow soil? The answer is C, sandy and shallow soil. Next, for the development of plantation, the following factor plays a very important role. Proper network of agents, well-developed network of transport and communication, or a well-developed system of irrigation. The answer is B, transportation and communication. You have to have a proper network of that if you want your plantation agriculture to be successful. So the answer is B. Next one, it's connected to the earlier one. A well-developed network of transport and communication is essential for the development of plantation. Now, why do you need this transportation and communication if you want plantations to be successful? First, to connect the plantation area, processing industries and markets, connect the laborer with the market, connect the plantation areas with canals and tube wells. The answer is A. Connect the plantation area, processing industries and markets. That is, you will connect the plantation area. Suppose you take the example of sugarcane. Sugarcane is grown. So that is in the plantation area. Processing industry is where the sugarcane is converted into sugar. And market is where you're going to sell it. So all these three institutions, you could say, have to be very closely connected if you want plantations to be successful. The next one, name the crop known as the golden fiber, cotton, silk, or jute. Again, a very, very easy one. It is jute. Golden fiber because of its color. The next MCQ, in which of the following states is terrace cultivation practiced? Punjab, Haryana, Gujarat, or Uttarakhand? The answer is D, Uttarakhand. Next, which one of the following crops is a beverage crop? Is it tea, cotton, wheat, or bajra? The answer is tea. Beverage means your hot drink. The next one, the price at which the government commits to purchase any quantity of grains offered is called procurement price, issue price, minimum support price, or the purchase price. The answer is C, minimum support price. What you have to remember is minimum support price is always before the sowing, before the seeds are sowed, before the sowing season. That is when what the government offers. Procurement prices after the harvest. So procurement after harvest and minimum before the sowing. So your answer is C. The next one, which is a slash and burn agriculture? Extensive farming, commercial subsistence farming, jhuming, or none of the above? The answer is C, jhuming. So these are your MCQs for agriculture.